music. Well, music when I hit the right keys. Just like music, there's something else you can't see with your eyes. Something that lives deep inside you. Something those morning injections take away.
But I thought the injections are for our health.
No, they remove something.
What?
Emotions.
You mean like feelings?
Feelings are just fleeting on the surface. But emotions, they're very deep, primal, they linger. Now, Jonas, you might not understand where you are or what's happening, but don't think about what you're seeing. Listen. Listen to what's calling from inside.
Beautiful wedding! Why would anyone want to get rid of this?
Good question.